This is from a 1996 Nissan Pathfinder, and you can see that the cattle guard here is pretty rusted. So we are going to remove this and we're going to clean it up with our lasers. Alright, so we've got the main rust off, and now we're going back over it with the pulse laser. This is what we use to do a cleanup. Another quick tip, guys, if you're seeing the laser isn't at its maximum power when you're at the right position, usually that means there's no more particulates or material on top of the surface that is a problem. Right here on the corner we had a little bit more buildup. As we get kind of here in the middle, there's not much more. Hey laser fans, we're back. We just finished this front bumper. The goal was to get it ready for paint. So what we've done here is we've gone a pass over for the main rest of the continuous, and then we just spot checked it with the 300 watt pulse, and as you can see here, nice and smooth, no more rust patches. It's ready to bond with the paint.